The chiru, perhaps the world's strangest antelope. Each winter, herds of these curious creatures gather to breed. This male guards a harem of 10 females, and to keep them close, he struts his stuff. He needs to watch out, as he's not the only male with mating on his mind. Rivals are gathering and fighting amongst themselves. Deep sounds travel further, so chiru use low, loud growls to broadcast their warnings for nearly a mile. A rival roars in reply. It's a direct challenge our male will have to silence. And so begins the Battle of the Bellows. Possibly the world's worst singing contest. On most occasions, these growl-offs are enough to settle any dispute. But today, our male has met his vocal match. Now, with his harem at stake, he must see the intruder off. Even with little oxygen in the air, chiru can run at 50 miles an hour. This time, his rival is all talk.